Which of the following statements is incorrect with regard to a galvanic cell? This is an example for a galvanic cell. This galvanic cell was constructed using zinc and copper half cells. We will connect these two electrodes using a conducting wire with a bulb. Zinc half electrode is the anode of this galvanic cell. Always oxidation takes place at the anode. Therefore, these zinc atoms goes to the solution as zinc 2 plus ions, leaving electrons on the zinc electrode. Therefore, in galvanic cells, anode is always negatively charged. Copper half cell is the cathode of this galvanic cell. Always, reduction takes place at the cathode. Aqueous copper 2 plus ions in the solution accept electrons and they deposit on the copper electrodes as copper atoms. Therefore, always cathode is positively charged. This is the oxidation half equation and this is the reduction half equation when the cell is in use. First we will check statement 4. Reduction half reaction occurs at the cathode. In these galvanic cells, always reduction takes place at the cathode. Therefore, statement 4 is correct. Statement 5. Oxidation half reaction occurs at the anode. In these galvanic cells, always oxidation takes place at the anode. Therefore, fifth statement is correct. Statement 1. Cell reaction is spontaneous. We can write the cell reaction of this galvanic cell using the anode half reaction and the cathode half reaction. You can obtain the cell reaction by adding these two equations by balancing the number of electrons. Oxidation process releases 2 electrons while the reduction process accepts 2 electrons. Therefore, just add first reaction and the second reaction. This is the cell reaction of this galvanic cell when it is in use. Always in galvanic cells, these cell reactions are spontaneous. Therefore, the Gibbs free energy is negative delta G. First statement is correct. Second statement, cell produces electrical energy. These galvanic cells are batteries. The anode is always negatively charged and the cathode is always positively charged. Therefore, the electron flow is always from the anode to the cathode. As these galvanic cells are batteries, you can see the bulb gives light. Therefore, the second statement is correct. Third statement, cathode is negatively charged. As you can see, always in these galvanic cells, anode is negatively charged while cathode is positively charged. Therefore, third statement is not correct. Answer for this question is number 3.